turn the locks. Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes with Homestead & Co. And I want to ask you this morning, do you turn the locks? No, I'm not talking about when you open a door and maybe doing a showing or you turning that lock. The lock I'm talking about now is, are you the first one in the office? Are you the first one going to work, turn the lock in the office, opening that lock and getting to work? Are you the last one leaving, locking that door on the way out? So if you're starting out and you're young, your second year, third year, you're not quite where you want to be yet, I want to ask you to look yourself in the mirror and say, hey, am I turning the locks? Am I the first one in or am I the last one out? If you want to advance your career, you want to push past and get ahead, do at least one of those a day. Either turn the locks in the morning or turn the locks at night. Open the office, get to work, knock out yourself before anybody else does. That's where you start getting ahead and building that advantage, or stay later and close it up. That's where you get ahead and work and gain the advantage. Guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com.